Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 42. If m is directly proportional to n, if m is directly proportional to n, and m is equal to 4 when n is equal to 2, write out the equation connecting m and n. And A here you have that m is equal to 2n, B you have that k is equal to 2, and C you have that m is equals to kn, and d is equals to 2n. So now we are given a what? A direct variation, that is a direct proportion. So we are given this expression m is directly proportional to n. Therefore we have that m is what? Directly proportional to n. Remember, we have various type of variation. We have the direct and the indirect, but the one given to us here is the direct variation. So we have that m is directly proportional to n. Now, expressing this in the equation, that is introducing your equation sign, removing this proportionality sign, we introduce a constant. Now let's take our constant to be what? K. Constant to be k. So therefore we have that what? We have that m is equal to kn, where k is our what? Where k is our constant. Now, how do we find the constant? Now they say when we should find m is directly proportional to what? N. That is, if there's an increase in m, there will be an increase in n, and if there's a decrease in m, there will be a decrease in n. So now, and m is equals to 4. So we have that m is equal to 4, and what? N is equal to 2. So that's k times 2. Therefore we have that 4 is equals to what? 2k. And to find k, we divide both sides by 2. 2 here we cancel 2, and 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Therefore we say what? We say k is equal to 2. Now we've gotten our constant. Our constant k is 2, so 2 is a constant. Now we are asked to write out the equation connecting m and n. This is equation connecting m and n, but you cannot pick this what? Equation. Why? Because this equation here has 3 unknown, the constants m and n, and so this equation is not the right equation connecting m and n, because with this equation you can never find m if you have n, and you cannot find n if you have m. But when you have your constant known, when the constant is known, now you can now find what? M when you have n, and you can find n when you have m. And now our constant here says 2. Therefore the equation connecting m and n will be equals to what? From this equation now, it will be equals to m is equals to what? 2n. This is the equation connecting what? M and n, because now our constant is known. For example, now if you have m to be 3, if you have n to be 3, if n is equals to 3, now you can find what? You can find your m by saying what? 2 times 3, because your constant is now known, which is 2, you get m to be 6. So therefore this is the what? Equation connecting m and n. So now from our option, let's check our option, which of these correspond to this answer. A here says m is equals to 2n, B says k is equals to 2, m says k is equals to m is equals to kn, and this says this is equals to 2n. But from this you see that A corresponds to our answer, so therefore A is our answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.